All right, so I'm going to show you how to flat tape drywall when you're going up to a substrate other than drywall. Here it's a cooler lid that I'm going up to, so I'm going to just go right up to it with some tape and some joint compound. I'm going to go lightly over it. Now I'm going to take my paper tape and just kind of roll it out the length I need. I want to overlap the other tape. Work with my finger. And you want to push it all the way up, if you can. Now I'm going to take my 4-inch knife and just kind of wipe it down, embedding the tape. Lightly going to wipe that little bead down. Subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.